Morning Basic Fam, back at it again. Today we're going to be working on my piece of shit. So, I'm going to be working on the wiring issues, because before you lower your 240, guys, always, you know I'm going to say it, do the wire tuck. We didn't do it, and we ate through half of my wiring harness, my body wiring harness. So, Logan, the electrician, is going to help me figure out how to rewire it, right? Oh fuck. While he's doing that, I'm gonna try and put in my new welded diff. A lot of people said not to do that, but and then Logan picked me up some presents, huh?
Yeah, he owes me a couple of tickles for that. And $80.
Yes, thanks to brother Tristan.
Look at that wire though.
Got us some burners. Those are huge rims. We just moved the tires to my place. We're gonna need some rubbers for those, but got some Tenzos, man. Thanks, brother Logan. Mahalo, brother Tristan. And we're gonna go run to AutoZone, grab some stuffs. Got a new toy and it doesn't even fucking fit.
Right there. I don't use it anyways. I'm fucked, right?
Let's put them up here.
There was one for here, but I didn't want it. Right there.
Right here. Look how crooked my fingers are.
Oh, it's super sticky too.
Yeah.
So where do I put it?
On the driver window.
I don't know. I say right here.
Oh, you fucking did it!
It's broken anyway.
You're an idiot. It's a unicorn. Oh, you didn't even clean it either. Wow. Oh my god.
I'll figure it out later.
For those of you who can relate to us working in the hot ass sun with no covered garage area, smash that like button. Because every day we're working in this sun, right, Logan? Wouldn't it be nice to have a covered garage?
We're not rich enough for that. Oh, just bend that.
Well, technically you are.
I'm not.
Not anymore. So this is what we're dealing with. We gotta use a tent. It's about 120 degrees out here. Set it up, Logan, I'll watch. Brother Troy showed up for like 5 minutes.
On the clock.
Here, you can hold this then. So, got the welded diff. Been sitting for like, what, 5 months? We'll blast it with this fucker. Get all the dog hair and whatever dirt we can get out of there real fast.
That shit dirty as shit, man.
Uh-huh. Oh, welded. Oh, welded.
I think it might be frozen, sir.
How come it only goes reversed?
Just like your RC car off.
How do you know about that? Oh my god, bro, it doesn't move.
It's frozen.
Got a fucking dog hair in this bitch. So we went to O'Reilly's and got some 80W30
I don't know.
trans fluid, gear oil. Alright, we don't have enough of this. So I'm gonna let this dry out and then should be good to throw it in. Something we also need for this job that Logan helped me remember. We need a gasket.
I was gonna say super glue is all we needed. Maybe weld the cover back on with the welded diff.
And then the cover from the diff that's in there, I'm gonna swap it out and put it in here. So it's gonna smell like gear ass oil all over my house. Again.
That's normal, right, already?
Because the last video, check it out, we failed.
Is it here? Wait, is it here or here?
There.
There. This way?
That right there.
This way?
So now we're gonna drop the exhaust a little bit so we can get to this side of the diff. Ran into a small issue. Well, I'm not sure if it's an issue, but this thing has ABS and the diff that I'm trying to put in doesn't have ABS. So I think I'm just gonna try it without that and just have it dangling. But Micah also said I could try and just change out the whole thing from inside the diff and leave this diff inside, but that'll be hard. That'll be last resort. Right, well,
my knee may have cried, but I'm doing something.
We got them. We got these out so far.
And look, I'm hurting myself.
Sacrificing.
I can't even breathe. I can't even move.
A sacrilegious sacrifice.
Oh, I can't see you. I can't find you.
You're 14.
There you are.
We need 14s.
Oh, this is gonna be hard. Try to do it this way.
Turn it off. Turn it off. All right, so we're stuck on one part, one bolt actually. It's the part closest to the drive shaft. So we're trying all of our options before we go to our last resort of just chopping it, and then we gotta go replace the whole bolt and all of that. But one bolt left, and then this new diff not new, but welded diff goes in. Then it can go get the spares that we got from Tristan, get some new rubbers on those, throw that on here since I just got new meats on these, and should be good to go. These are a little too thick, so get thinner wheels, should be cherry without busting any axles. Alright, so we're gonna have to continue this vlog tomorrow, get a new bolt and all of that, and a new diff should be in. Catch you guys there.
You never give me 10 seconds of fame. This is my 5 seconds of fame for you.
So we called this guy over to make us dinner and do all the bitch work around the house.
Whoa, I hope that I ever go and edit.
They call these used.
Used
You can use this.
Yep, brand new. I'm gonna throw them on right now.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new.
What's up, guys? Day 2. We're back at it. Me and Logan again. He and I ended up partying last night. That was random. We didn't get shit done. We still gotta do one more bolt. We gotta remove one more bolt and then the diff can go in. So we're gonna start on that, set up our outside shop again. So we used, excuse all the trash that just ended up in front of our garage, but renovating the house. So for the diff, we tried all kinds of stuff. Open end wrenches, ratchets, all of it. Nothing's working. We're gonna saw this bitch out like the last video.
Could you pass me a hammer and a flathead? Or a pry bar?
Makeshift hammer jangers.
So you get Phillips screwdrivers, you get flathead screwdrivers. Over here, you get shark fin screwdrivers. And we finally got them. Out. It's hot. Alright, I got the last 4 mounting bolts out, or loose. I'm gonna grab the jack to help us hold it up while I loosen it the rest so it don't fall on my face there. Diff is out. Yeah! Look at all that splooge.
It looks so clean and dirty at the same time.
Now we gotta clean this cover and
You gotta get more brake
see if we can fit it on this. Lunch break? Troy is here.
Yeah.
Lunch break?
Lunch break?
Alright, back home from lunch break. We went to... Let's get back to work. Alright, we let it sit out in the sun for a little bit, drip all that gunk out, hit it with brake cleaner again, let it dry, throw it back on.
Woo! Just watch out. Gear oil smells beautiful. You might start seeing unicorns pretty soon.
It smells like your mom's vagina.
Whoa now. Should get some badges still for that.
Look at that, looks all shiny inside, it's all clean. So, now that we got that, got some leftover residue gasket all in here. And I have a new gasket, but I'm gonna try and chisel away at this old shit residue, make it a better connection.
Oh, look at that concentration. Go faster.
Get light taps so you don't dig into the metal and you're just chipping off the gasket. Okay guys, per usual, typical 240 shit.
We gotta go back to our second and third homes.
AutoZone for what, Logan?
An axle that Maui broke. Or we broke. Somehow. Must have been broken a long
Nah,
time ago.
it was clicking a while. Like from the first time I tried to drift a turn, it's been
literally
clicking.
just popped off.
It's definitely my fault, not yours. But on the way of pulling it out, the axle fell apart. Like just
It
fucking.
literally popped off.
It literally is brittle as shit. We're gonna go get an axle, I guess. Fuck. Money I don't have, you know. Whatever. Let's get it. Alright guys, just got back from AutoZone. Good news and bad news. Good news is they have a passenger side axle, which is the one that we broke, but I had to order the driver's side. That'll be a week and a half. So we'll just put it all back together and hope the driver's side lasts. But bad news is we don't know how to do axle jobs. And we kind of just wing the whole diff job too. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna wing it. Here it is, boys.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Hardly not used there. So in order to get the axle out, we have to take the wheel off, take out their stuffs, then we can slide it out that way. But it's hard to pull it out without the diff in, so we're gonna fill it up with fluid, throw it back in, and try that.
Use our makeshift breaker bar.
This is our last resort.
It works.
AKA Jesus the Savior is here with his new sleeve.
Shout out to Keaka, follow him on the gram. Mean artwork, mean sleeves, poly, Japanese style, whatever you want.
Also the guy who helped us with these shirts.
Yes, Incan Action is his shirt business. Instagram's here.
Yup. Wow. So 2.5 days, took 2 Jesuses, 2 240 gods. 240.
Snap on, bro.
Yeah. 240 Nick is here with his impact gun. Got the doo-doo axle out. Time for the new one, baby. I'm assuming it's the same thing, reverse process.
If you're putting an S13 diff into an S14, the only thing you're gonna have to worry about is because you're not using those bushings anymore. These bolts aren't gonna be, or they're gonna be a little too long. Well, really what the problem is we bolt it so far in, it doesn't hit the back, but the threads would want to come over to this area. It's hard to explain, but basically you just need plenty of washers or shorter bolts, but we couldn't find shorter bolts.
Yeah.
These guys went to the store like
5 times today.
5 times. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use 5 washers just because that's the lucky number today.
Yeah, that works, right?
Yeah, and it'll work. Everything else is bolted up good.
About time. It's kind of dark out already.
What is it, day 2.5?
Day 2.5, going on 28 hours straight.
A 30-minute diff job?
Oh, with your 240, it's never 30 minutes. So, what's going on now, Maui?
So we got the diff in, everything's good. I'm about to go test drive it. See how the
Well, if you test drive it, we'll have to do a fix, you know, again. And then just start off slow, just make sure that everything's, you know, spinning properly.
Oh, that got me wet. I don't know if I'll fit, but I'll jump in. You ready for the welded diff life?
Let's see if I can make it more than 10 feet. Hey, it's rolling.
Oh. It's rolling. Didn't sound good earlier, but I go straight. I seen the stop sign turn. Seems to be good, going straight. Here's a turn. Here's a test.
First turn with a welded.
Let's see how it goes. Ready for the...
Oh shit!
Not too bad. How's it feel?
No difference?
Oh, I felt that V-Tech, bro.
It's honestly not that bad.
Not that bad. True test is a parking garage when you're at work. That'd be the fun one. Send it!
Your handles turn, so that's for damn sure. 2.5 day diff job.
2 full days.
Done. Thanks to these guys.
Not me, I broke everything.
And all we have to do is wait another week half till the other axle comes. Then I gotta do that for the driver's side. And then other than that, thanks to Micah for welding the diff. That should be solid. Thanks for Micah and Nicholas and Nicholas's brother.
Oh yeah, I
He
screwed
did all
in
the
a
work.
bolt. Yeah.
I screwed in a
I
bolt.
lifted up the whole diff on top of me and then I was like, Chris, put in the fucking bolt!
And he did it slowly. And thanks to this guy.
For breaking everything.
Thanks to this guy for spending about $50 of gas for me today.
In 2 days.
Oh yeah, in 2 days for fucking auto shops. You wanna close it?
well, that's that. Maui got his diff in.
Yep.
Got it to the wires another day.
Oh my god, Logan.
Logan's always a dick. Blur that. But like always, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. We are now at 520?
5 something.
520-ish subscribers.
Wait, did you say 420?
No,
Shut
Logan.
Hey, 520 more than me, what?
Keep sharing our channel. Make sure they subscribe to get us to that 750 to do another giveaway. To give you an update, it's gonna be Windbreakers as our next release. So stay tuned for that. But like always, catch you next time. Shoots!